So guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix X posts are not loading at the moment. So this might be your internet or it might be your app glitch. To fix it, head over to your X application itself, tap onto your home page and simply refresh your page a couple times. Now for some people it might fix the problem. If it's not working in your case, then let's go ahead and do some settings. For that, head over to your Play Store and search for X. If you see update here, just like mine, tap on update and update your X application. If you see open, that means your X application is already updated. For the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see apps. Here also, you're going to have to search for X. So type in X and then search for it. Tap on your X application. Scroll below, tap on storage and clear the cache. Now lastly, you're going to have to restart your device. And once done, open your X application and it will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then try using X via a web browser for a couple hours and the problem within your app will be fixed automatically.